Let's say your company has multiple sites, and things are a lot more complicated as a result. Each operation has its own approach to fleet management, and overseeing multiple service providers from all over the region has become a capital-draining complication you just don't need. So, you reach out to your local CAT dealer, who's on the job right away, along with CAT Job Site Solutions. Together with you, they begin with an assessment of your business, analyzing your equipment, reviewing the efficiency of your operators, and talking with you about your ongoing site support issues. Then they will come back with a custom solution for your operation, in which they will provide full, and I mean full, management of your entire fleet. So what do you get out of it? Start with a 10% reduction in your fleet size, reduced fuel costs, and fewer expenses for equipment rentals, plus higher machine availability with fewer unplanned outages, and improved production. Now, your operations are a step closer to optimization. Your operators and equipment are performing better than ever, and you can focus again on your business, while CAT Job Site Solutions handles the rest.